So today we are going to study about the reactions of phenols. Where we observe the electrophilic substitution reactions of phenols due to presence of hydroxyl group. Phenols undergoes electrophilic substitution reactions more easily than benzenes. These have the formation of electron density at ortho and para positions, as we observe there. Resonating structures of phenols. We are having the formation of or increase in the electron density at ortho as well as para positions, which makes phenols more reactive towards electrophilic substitution reactions than the benzenes. Firstly, the halogenation reaction. The reaction in which we are having the substitution of hydrogen atom of aromatic ring of phenol by halogen. It is known as halogenation reaction. In the halogenation reaction, we are studying the bromination reaction of phenols. Phenols, on treatment with bromine liquid in presence of carbon disulfide or chloroform, in presence of carbon disulfide or chloroform, we are having the formation of a mixture of orthobromophenol and para-bromophenol. Here orthobromophenol is prepared in the major form 80% and para-bromophenol is prepared in minor form. We are having the formation of a mixture of orthobromophenol and para-bromophenol. When we conduct this reaction, the bromination of phenol is conducted in presence of bromine water. It gives us the formation of corresponding 2,4,6 tribromophenol. Having the formation of 2,4,6 tribromophenol. This reaction is involving introduction of bromine or introduction of halogen to aromatic ring. So we consider it as halogenation reaction. The substitution of hydrogen atom of aromatic ring is done by bromine. So we consider it as bromination reaction. Next reaction, it is nitration reaction. In the nitration reaction, we are having substitution of hydrogen atom of aromatic ring by nitro group. We conduct this reaction by using two different conditions. when phenols are treated with nitric acid at room temperature, approximately 298 Kelvin temperature, it involves introduction of nitro to aromatic ring to have the formation of orthonitrophenol and para-nitrophenols mixture. Formation of a mixture of orthonitrophenol and para-nitrophenol. In these two compounds, we are having the formation of orthonitrophenol as major product and para-nitrophenol as minor product. This one is totally opposite to the formation of the halogenation reaction products. Here we are having the formation of the orthonitrophenols in the major form. It is due to the presence of intramolecular hydrogen bonding in orthonitrophenols. These type of intramolecular hydrogen bondings are present in the phenols, orthonitrophenols. This type of hydrogen bonding is not present in the para-nitrophenols. Or we can say intramolecular bonding is present in orthonitrophenol and para-nitrophenol have the presence of intermolecular hydrogen bondings like this. This type of intermolecular hydrogen bonding is present in para-nitrophenols. So these are prepared in minor form, and the intramolecular hydrogen bonding presented orthonitrophenols are prepared in major form. The next reaction, it is involving the formation of corresponding picric acid. The phenols. These are heated with nitrating mixture. A mixture of concentrated sulfuric acid and concentrated nitric acid at about 373 Kelvin temperature. It gives us the formation of 2,4,6 trianitrophenol. Having the formation of 2,4,6 trianitrophenol, which is known as the picric acid. This is the involving the formation of picric acid 2,4,6 trianitrophenol from the action of corresponding concentrated nitric acid in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. These reactions are involving introduction of nitro 2 as an electrophile to aromatic ring. So this reaction is known as nitration reaction. Next reaction, it is the sulfonation reaction. It is sulfonation reaction. Introduction of sulfonic acid group involves reacts with sulfuric acid at a different conditions to have the formation of different products. At room temperature, it gives us the formation of corresponding orthophenol sulfuric acid, and by heating with sulfuric acid, the phenols gives us the formation of paraphenol benzene sulfonic acids. We are obtaining a mixture of nitro compounds mixture of halogens when we react the phenols at room temperature. Like this, we are not having the mixture of two different compounds, ortho as well as para compounds. Mixture is not prepared here. But instead of this, we are having the formation of different compounds. We are having the separate formation of separate compounds here. When phenols are sulfonated, when phenol is treated with sulfuric acid at room temperature, at approximately 298 Kelvin temperature, we are having the formation of orthophenol benzene sulfonic acid. Formation of orthophenol benzene sulfonic acid, or we can say it as 2-hydroxy benzene sulfonic acid. Like this, when we conduct the reaction of phenols with sulfuric acid H2SO4 at 100 degrees centigrade, or you can say that it has 373 Kelvin temperature, it gives us the formation of corresponding paraphenol benzene sulfonic acid. Or we can say it as 4-hydroxy benzene sulfonic acid. This reaction involves introduction of sulfonic group 2 aromatic ring of phenol. So we consider it as the sulfonation reaction. Now the next reaction, which is a named reaction, it is a Reimer-Tiemann reaction. It is Reimer-Tiemann reaction. In this reaction, we are having the formation of salicylaldehyde from phenols. When phenols is treated with chloroform in presence of alkaline medium. In presence of alkaline medium, we are having the formation of an intermediate compound. This prepared intermediate compound further reacts with the formation of corresponding sodium hydroxide, which is the medium of this reaction, alkaline medium. We are having the formation of corresponding intermediate compound, which further on acid hydrolysis, gives us the formation of corresponding salicylaldehyde. This reaction is known as Reimer-Tiemann reaction. The next named reaction is Kolbe's reaction. This reaction involves the formation of corresponding salicylic acid from phenols. When phenols is treated with sodium hydroxide to have the formation of a sodium phenoxide. formation of sodium phenoxide, which further reacts with carbon dioxide at 398 Kelvin temperature and 6 atmospheric pressure to have the formation of sodium salicylate. 398 Kelvin temperature reacts with carbon dioxide by applying 6 atmospheric pressure. We are having the formation of corresponding sodium salicylate. Formation of sodium salicylate, which further on acid hydrolysis gives us the formation of orthohydroxybenzoic acid, which further on acid hydrolysis have the formation of orthophenol or orthohydroxybenzoic acid, which is commonly known as salicylic acid, which is commonly known as salicylic acid, salicylaldehyde, salicylic acid. Salicylaldehyde due to presence of carbonyl group, due to presence of carboxylic acid group, where it is more considered as salicylic acid and this one is considered as salicylaldehyde. Diamond reaction gives us the formation of corresponding salicylaldehyde from phenols, and Colb's reaction gives us the formation of corresponding salicylic acid or orthohydroxybenzoic acid from phenols. These are the reactions which are important for your exams. Now, the next reaction, which is considered as the reduction reaction. As all we know about reduction reactions are those reactions which involves either introduction of hydrogen or removal of oxygen. When phenols, these are reduced by using zinc dust. The phenols are reduced by using zinc dust. It gives us the formation of corresponding benzene. Formation of benzene. We are having introduction of either introduction of hydrogen or removal of oxygen. We are having removal of oxygen from phenol to have formation of corresponding aromatic hydrocarbon benzene. Next reaction, it is oxidation reaction. Oxidation reaction means a reaction which involves either introduction of oxygen or removal of hydrogen. Phenols on oxidation by using chromic acid. Phenol on oxidation by using chromic acid or sodium dichromate in presence of sulfuric acid. Sodium dichromate in presence of sulfuric acid. Either we use the condition of chromic acid or sodium dichromate in presence of sulfuric acid. We are having introduction of oxygen to have the formation of corresponding diketone. Formation of a diketone. Para-benzoquinone. Benzoquinone. Which one is a diketone? Then is a diketone. Phenol generally oxidizes slowly in presence of air, gives a dark colored mixture. Gives a dark colored mixture. The next reaction, it is catalytic hydrogenation of phenol. When phenols are heated, the vapors of phenol are passed over heated nickel at about 423 Kelvin temperature, or when phenols are hydrogenated, the vapors of phenol are passed, then vapors of phenols and hydrogen gas, these are passed. Catalytic hydrogenation involves introduction of molecule of hydrogens, then vapors of phenol and hydrogen gas is passed over heated nickel at 423 Kelvin temperature. Addition of molecule of hydrogen takes place to have the formation of a cyclohexanol. Formation of cyclohexanol. This reaction involves introduction of molecule of hydrogen to aromatic ring of phenol. So we consider it as catalytic hydrogenation reaction. Reduction reaction and catalytic hydrogenation reaction. These two are different reactions. Reduction reaction is conducted of phenol, which involves removal of oxygen, and here on catalytic hydrogenation of phenol we are having the formation of cyclohexanol from phenol by addition of molecule of hydrogens. These are the reactions, these are the chemical reactions of phenols. Here we are having the completion of this topic, alcohol, phenols and ethers. Thank you.